In this video, we will do coin change coding challenge is 322. So with this exercise, what we need to do is we have array of coins of different values, and we need to sum up these coins to get the number of amounts. So we are asked how many minimum amount of coins evaluate to this amount. So we here have amount of 11. So we have 2 coins of 5 cents and 1 coin of 1 cent. So we return 3. Cool. So let's look at an example. So one way of solving this would be a greedy approach. Let's say that we have coins 1, 10, and 15, and the amount is 20. Okay, so with the greedy approach, we would say, okay, let's take biggest coin, so 15. So we would have 1 coin of 15 and 5 coins for number of 1, which is we have 6 coins, and this would be wrong amount, right? Because we can take 10 cents, and we would have 2 coins to evaluate to amount of 20. So this is correct value. Okay, so greedy approach is not correct for this exercise. And what we need to do is use a dynamic programming pattern. So let's say if we have coins 1, 2, and 5, let's say the amount is 3. What we do is initialize DP array with the first value will be 0, and then like the subsequent values will be infinitive. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's just write indices here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what we will be doing now is just loop over these current amounts, and for each amount, this is amount and these are current amounts, right? Okay, so for each amount we will calculate the best value for the current amount. So let's start with 1, and when we're at current amount 1, we will loop over each coin. So let's do that. So 1, we take 1 coin, the remainder is 0, so 0 plus 1 coin, it's 1. We skip the 2 and 5 because these coins are bigger than current amount. So next current amount is 2. Let's do that. So the first coin is 1. So we take 1 coin. The remainder is also 1. So this is 2 coins. Okay. So we did this coin. So now we're at a coin with value 2. So we take 1 coin of 2. The remainder is 0, so 0, which is the remainder, plus 1 coin for the value of 2 is 1. So 1 is better than what we currently have, so we'll just write it down. Okay, cool. And we skip coin 5 because 5 is bigger than current amount, so we don't need to do that. So now we're at number 3, so we loop over every coin. We starting with 1. Okay, 1 coin for 1 is, so the remainder is 2. Look at this guy here. So we need 1 additional coin. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we write 2. Okay, so this is for coin number 1. The second one is 2. So we're here. Okay, so we have coin 2. Which is 3 minus 2 is 1. We have remainder of 1. Look at this guy. So we take 1 coin plus 1 coin of 2. So it's 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's not better than this guy, so we leave it be. And we skip the 5, right? And the final thing we need to do is just return the last element. So we return 2 coins. Okay. So let's talk about time space complexity for this one. So for time, it's O n times n. N is the amount and M is the number of coins. And for space, it's O of N. N is the amount. Okay, so now you can pause this video and try to solve it yourself. Remember, you have two for loops, so the outer loop would be looping over these elements, and the inner loop would be looping through all of the coins. Okay, let's do it together. So the first thing we need to do is initialize our DP array. So new array amount plus 1. We need amount plus 1 because we have the index starts with 0, right? We need to get elements from 0 to and including the amount, and we fill it with infinity. Second thing, the first element 0 needs to be changed from infinity to 0, right? Like that. The coins here are not sorted, so let's do that as well in ascending order. Okay, and now we just create the outer loop. So for we start with 1. And the inner loop will be just looping over each coin. If a coin is bigger than current amount, we just break. Don't need to do anything. If not, we just initialize candidate variable. It will be the current coin, which is 1. We take 1 coin, and then the remainder. So dp minus coin, right? And we need to save this. So so the candidate or dp cool. And finally, we just return the dp amount. If it's equal to infinity, we just return -1, and else dp amount. Cool. Okay. So all the test cases passed. Right. So if like these kind of questions which involve dynamic programming are pretty hard for beginners. So if you're having hard time understanding these questions, just draw it every line with a pen and paper and do it numerous times, and it will help. So that's it. Till next time. Bye.